If you want to publish the free product, then follow the method number 1, and if you want to publish your paid product on AiaStore.shop, then follow the second method. But before that, you need to sign in yourself on the AiaStore.shop. So now I will click on the publish now button. If you already sign in, then skip this step and follow after the sign in method. So now what I have to do, just click on this continue with Google option. After clicking on the continue with Google option, then select your email ID. After selecting your email ID, what you have to do, here you will get the option like just you have to accept the terms and conditions of AiaStore.shop, or else if you already sign in, then you will get sign in directly. Now next step is you have to click on the publish now button again, and after that here you will get option like become a creator. So if you already have an account on the AiaStore.shop, then click on the store manager. So here email will fetch directly. So here you just have to enter your store name and it's mandatory. I will take this checkbox. So next thing is you have to click on this confirm button. So I will click on the go to the dashboard. You have to click on the store manager if you already have an account. So here you will see the gross sales, and then here is the admin fee. So as the AiaStore.shop not charging anything from you as a creator, so here you will see the 0 amount. If you want to upload your product, then click on the product, and after clicking on product, you have to click on this add new. So in the method 1, I will show you how you can publish your free product, but before going ahead, please read the condition that given by the AiaStore.shop. Here you have to click on this option. You have to select the external and affiliate product, and after selecting it, you have to enter the product title. So and after that you have to enter the URL of your products, and then here keep it price, write your short description over here. So I am writing the short description here. Just upload here product image. So image size should be 1280 in width and 720 pixel in height. And after that, if you want to add more images, upload that product inside the gallery. Click here to upload more image, then select the categories. Here add the description. Remember, don't use any image in the long description or short description. Then if you want to do the SEO, then do this step, or else click on the submit button. If you want to upload the paid product, click here and then click on the simple product. After clicking on simple product, check mark this downloadable option as well as keep this virtual check mark enable. Then scroll down and here downloadable option get visible. Add your file name over here, and after adding the file name, upload your file that you are going to sell. After uploading the file, all things will be same. You have to enter the title, price, short description, long description, categories, and all. Just read rest of the condition from over here, and then you done. Just click on the submit button, then your product will get live on the AiaStore.shop. I hope you got it, how to publish your digital product on the AiaStore.shop. So while you are waiting, go and publish your product and start your earning. Till then, bye bye.